This is a video on frequency polygons. We're going to look at what is it, what do we need to know, how to do it, and some application questions. So the very first thing is, what is it? Well, it really is just another way for you to display your data on a graph for group data. So group data, it's really just something that you can express in a pack. So for example, 1, 4, 6, 3, 7, and 10. They could all be packed to 1 to 10, so they're just grouping it together. So what do we need to know? Typically you're going to get a graph like this. You're going to get something like around time and definitely frequency. And you're going to get these boundaries. This means 0 to 10 minutes, including 10 minutes, because of this little sign right here. 10 to 20 minutes, including 20 minutes, and so on and so forth. And for the very first one, what it really means is that you have 25 people in this category that are from 0 to 10 minutes, including 10 minutes. Okay, so how do you do it? Typically, you're going to get this type of table and this type of graph. And three things you need to consider. The very first thing is the boundaries. So here and here, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, so on and so forth. The midpoints are the boundaries. So 5, 15, 25, 35, so on and so forth. And then you try and plot them onto a graph, but not the bottom or the top. So I'll show you what I mean. So for this one, for the 5 midpoint here, you go to 25. 15 midpoint, you go to 15. 25, you go to 5, so on and so forth. But we need to connect them. And you have a figure like this. Now when people see the word polygon, they're tempted to be like, well, I need to complete this. I need to make sure that it is a shape. So they might even connect it here. Or if a graph that looks like this way, you might try and connect it here. But no, all you really need to consider is the midpoints, the frequency, and it's connected that way. Now some people might decide to do a bar chart on this, and that's completely fine as long as you connect the midpoints at the end, and that also works as well too. So not a problem in terms of bar charts and whatnot. Okay, now pause the video if you want to have a go at this. Okay, here are the answers. So again, the midpoints are 5, 15, 25, so on and so forth, and you plot them out this way in the midpoints according to frequency, and you connect them. Remember, don't connect the bottom or the top, just leave it as is, and that's that. So here's a video on frequency polygons. I hope you enjoy it. If there's any questions, leave some comments. Thank you.